Hey, g'day everyone, and thanks for tuning in. On this episode of Barra C1100 build, we're going to get the new rear shackles installed for the leaf springs. We're going to go ahead and get the BA diff mounted. I want to get the auto transmission pulled out of the BA ute and want to install it behind the Barra and the inner. Start working out, cross member mounting situation. And then, if we've got time remaining, start stripping the engine harness out of this thing. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so I just went ahead and put them shackles in, and yes, took a look at these leaf springs, and I'm not sure what they're out of, but they're not for this because, as you can see where they had the old diff bolted is where it's supposed to be, but it's, not the actual dowel to locate the diff is just way forward. So, gonna abandon the leaf spring and diff mounting project for now. I might just move straight to, pulling the transmission out of that ute until I can go up the block and get another set of springs for this thing. So let's get this transmission out. Alrighty, so I went ahead, got the transmission removed from the BA. Now I'm going to shift my attention back to the inner. Going to pull the T5 off the back of the Barra, and don't know if I'll clean the transmission up a little bit yet or not sure. But I'll get it bolted up behind there, and start looking at the transmission mount situation. Alrighty, so I got that T5 out. I've degreased and sort of scratched the majority of the junk off that auto. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick pressure clean, and then yeah, throw it up in the truck and see what the transmission man looks like. Rightio, so I went and got that automatic bolted up into place there. Just measured the cross member, and I've got we're going to take the front section out because it's actually hitting on the transmission, so I'll just give it a rough clearance and then shove it up in there and see what she looks like. Alright, so I went ahead and got the transmission cross member in there. It's just sitting there at the moment, but the Ford mounts on it, so yeah, everything's been secured, hung as it should. I've got to obviously finish off the cross member. I'll just give it a trim, but I'll reinforce it when I pull it back out. So what I'm probably gonna go ahead and move on to is getting the wiring out of the BA. So I might actually pull the seats out first, and then yeah, start gutting the interior and whatever else I need to get this wiring out. Right, yeah, so I ripped in and yeah, I've actually managed to get the engine harness removed. Got it all labelled up, so yeah, I've got to send this away to get it modified to work in the inner. So yeah, that's all done, so I'm probably going to go up the block tomorrow, see if I can get the correct leaf springs and get that diff mounted, because yeah, that transmission's sort of sitting there all mounted up pretty good. So yeah, shut it down for the day, had a real successful day, and yeah, like I said, tomorrow I'll go and get these leaf springs and get that diff mounted. Rightio, so a bit of a change of plans today. Yeah, just got in contact with the customer, and I'm going to head over to their place. They got a spare chassis over there. Pretty sure it's got some leaf springs in it. So yeah, we'll go and check that out. If no good, then I'll head up the block and yeah, go and pinch some out of there. But I'm going to go and see their stash first and see what we can do, Okay, so we just pulled up, and yeah, here's the spare chassis. Forgot that I had a diff in it, so it'll take a little bit longer to get them out, but that's all right. Yeah, I'll get this thing chocked up, and let's get to ripping these rear springs out. Alrighty, so that's one down, one to go. As you can see, yeah, had some difficulties getting this thing out. This thing was yeah, crazy rusty. Same as the other side, broke that rear hanger. Yeah, the front bolts, I didn't think were actually going to come out, but they're all out now. Just got to do that last set of U-bolts, So let's get them out, get them on the road. Got both leaf springs in the back. That was way harder and took way longer than what I thought, but anyway, done now. So yeah, let's head back to the shed and get these springs in. Alright, so back at home, gonna grab them leaf springs out of the ram. Got to yeah, pull these bodgy springs out of this thing, and then I'll yeah, fit them other springs and see what we need to do to get this BA diff in. Okay, so I got those other leaf springs installed. Yeah, as you can see, the locating stud is where it should be instead of all the way forward. So yeah, gonna go ahead, lift that diff up into position and see what we're working with. Alrighty, so I lifted that diff into position. It's worked out the same as the last cinder I just built. Basically, yeah, there's a little plug that the Fords have, a little nylon plug in the center of the diff there. So I just knocked them both out. And you see the dowels sit to the outside of the hole. So I'll just make up an offset eccentric little filler in there and weld that in. I'm not going to do that now, so I'm just going to go ahead, bolt it down for now to make it a roller again, and I might even just check out tail shaft length and a few other things. So yeah, I'll just bolt this thing down, eh? Rightio, so yeah, went ahead, got that diff bolted down. Probably have to trim the bottoms off the U-bolts and that. Probably hang a little bit low, but yeah, really happy. It's bolted in just like the other ender. Then I went ahead and checked drive shaft length. I wasn't holding much hope, but yeah, as you can see, it's a bit too long. So I'll talk to my drive shaft guy. I'm not sure if he can do alloy or not, but yeah, got both ends anyway for make a mild steel shaft for it. But bit of luck, we can work with the aluminium shaft. So I'm probably going to shut it down here for the week. I've got to go back tomorrow, so yeah, I'm going to give the shed a bit of a tidy up. It's looking like a bomb hit it, and yeah, pack all my tools up. So yeah, as always, thanks for watching, everyone. Do us a favour, if there's if you'd leave us a comment, let us know yeah, what you're liking about the videos, what you don't like about the videos. Is there one of the project cars that I've got in the shed up at Balgo that you might want to see a bit more of, or yeah, just any ideas you want to swing my way, it'd be much appreciated. And yeah, so as always, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.